remember the video I made showing a little girl, right? Made a bubble generator, bubble, yeah, producing device, just using a bottle, just a bottle, cut the bottom, right? And then use a clock to cover the bottom, and then use bungee cord, to do, tighten up like this, and then dip in. I already made a video, but shows that it's working, so I just do it again in English. So dip it in, okay, and then you just simply blow it. Oh, yeah, working, yeah. You see, very easy. This is the simplest way to produce bubbles, not that hard at all. Just, this is just so easy, so easy. Yeah, the trick is to make sure you tighten up the bungee cord, so fill all the gaps. Otherwise, if you release air from the gaps, then it's hard to blow, right? The point is the air has nowhere to go but to go through the front. Yeah, that's the idea. Okay. Just find out the problem is not the elastic band. Well, that could be a problem, but the thing is, when I first, wrap it up, tightened by the elastic band. So the thing is, the cloth is not fully wet, only the bottom, the side, or all everywhere, has to be wet. Then you blow, then there's no problem, right? Basically, you seal all the opening, little gaps with soap liquid, right? Then you blow, and then then the air has nowhere to go, right? Simply just goes through the wetted opening. Let's try it again. See, it's very easy to produce, right? And then we see the bubble even coming from the side.
Hey, why are you recording?
Why not?
There's a lot of dust in my eye.
Good. You can see this is how we use the water. We fill the water, fill the pond with water. Well, of course, rocks, right? Also rocks. So we just simply use the water to level the whole thing, right? Where there's water, then we just simply add more rocks. So, and then make it flat, right? So make it totally flat, so that so that we can place the structure on top of it. Yeah, this is Margaret, and thank her for helping me. I'm using the water to level off the rocks. Okay, basically I simply fill the add more rocks to the area that there's wet water, right? Wet area. So but I just have an idea. I got a few pot plants, sitting over there before was, sometimes I forgot to water them on the rock, while there's still water underneath, right? That's the best way to water the potted plants, right? That way you don't feed water from the top and lose the dissolved nutrient. This way that simply allow the soil inside to absorb the water from bottom, by a capillary effect, right? That's better. Anyways, I just thought that this is something interesting.